Want a more organized, clutter-free home? These 21 smart Amazon storage solutions help you save space, reduce mess, and make everyday living easier. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Lazzanto Nightstand with LED light and charging station, $50. A modern and functional bedside table designed to keep your essentials organized and within reach. It features built-in LED lighting for a stylish glow, includes a convenient charging station for your devices, saves space with smart storage compartments, and makes your bedroom more organized, practical, and tech-friendly. Number 2. The Wakaye Over-Door Hanging Organizer, $18. A smart space-saving storage solution designed to maximize unused door space. It provides multiple pockets for storing clothes, accessories, or household items, helps reduce clutter, keeps essentials neatly organized, and makes small spaces more functional and efficient for everyday living. Number 3. The VASAGLE Laundry Cabinet with Tilt-Out Basket, $111. A stylish storage solution designed to keep laundry neatly hidden while maintaining a clean and organized look. It features a convenient tilt-out basket, helps reduce visual clutter, provides extra storage space, and makes laundry organization easier and more efficient. It's a great way to keep your laundry area looking tidy and modern. Number 4. The Indemo Upgraded Cord Organizer, $9. A simple yet effective solution designed to keep cords neat and tangle-free. It helps organize charging cables, appliance cords, and electronics, reduces clutter, keeps surfaces looking clean, and makes it easier to manage everyday devices. It's a small upgrade that can make a big difference in keeping your space organized. Number 5. The Varhomax Shoe Organizer Box, $19. A smart storage solution designed to keep your footwear protected, organized, and easy to access. It helps maximize closet space, reduces clutter, keeps shoes dust-free, and creates a cleaner, more organized look in your home. It also makes it easy to see and grab the pair you need without digging through piles of shoes. Number 6. The Lifewit 2-Pack Laundry Basket, $13. A smart storage solution designed to keep laundry organized and out of sight. It features a spacious design, durable handles for easy transport, helps separate clothes more efficiently, and keeps laundry rooms, bedrooms, and closets looking neat and clutter-free, while making laundry day faster and more manageable. Its lightweight design also makes carrying heavy loads much easier from room to room. Number 7. The MSHOMELY Shelf Divider for Purse Handbag Organizer, $35. A clever closet organization solution designed to keep purses, handbags, and accessories neatly separated and easy to access. It maximizes shelf space, prevents bags from losing their shape, reduces clutter, and helps create a cleaner, more organized closet, while making it easier to find the perfect bag for any occasion. Its sturdy design keeps everything standing upright and neatly arranged. Number 8. The Laiensia Double Rods, $31. A smart closet organization solution designed to maximize hanging space and keep clothing neatly arranged. It features a double rod designed to hold more garments, helps reduce closet clutter, makes better use of vertical space, and keeps outfits organized and easy to access, while creating a cleaner and more efficient wardrobe setup. Its space-saving design is perfect for bedrooms, closets, and small living spaces. Number 9. The Xixini Grey Slim Shoe Cabinet with Flip Drawers, $109. A stylish storage solution designed to keep shoes neatly organized without taking up too much space. It features slim flip drawer compartments, maximizes entryway storage, reduces clutter, and keeps footwear hidden from view for a cleaner, more modern look. Its narrow design fits perfectly in hallways, entryways, and other compact spaces. Number 10. The Kalimdor Pants Hangers, $17. A smart closet accessory designed to maximize storage space and keep clothing neatly organized. It holds multiple pairs of pants on a single hanger, saves valuable closet space, reduces wrinkles, and makes it easier to see and access your wardrobe. Its space-saving design helps create a cleaner and more organized closet. Number 10. The Kalimdor Pants Hangers, $17. A smart closet accessory designed to maximize storage space and keep clothing neatly organized. It holds multiple pairs of pants on a single hanger, saves valuable closet space, reduces wrinkles, and makes it easier to see and access your wardrobe. Its space-saving design helps create a cleaner and more organized closet. Number 11. The MSHOMELY Underwear Organizer, $27. A practical drawer organization solution designed to keep underwear, socks, and small clothing items neatly sorted. It features multiple compartments for easy organization, reduces drawer clutter, saves time when getting dressed, and helps maximize storage space. Its organized layout makes finding exactly what you need quick and hassle-free. Number 12. The OIAHOMY Large Blanket Basket, $22. A stylish storage solution designed to keep blankets, pillows, toys, and other household items neatly organized. It offers a large storage capacity, helps reduce clutter, adds a decorative touch to any room, and keeps everyday essentials within easy reach. Its woven design blends beautifully with a wide range of home decor styles. Number 13. The FRETONBA Collapsible Magazine File Holder, $16. A convenient organization solution designed to keep magazines, documents, folders, and paperwork neatly arranged. It helps reduce desk clutter, maximizes workspace organization, makes important files easier to find, and folds flat when not in use for easy storage. Its compact design is perfect for home offices, desks, and study areas. Number 14. The iHave Toothbrush Holder, $17. A smart bathroom organization solution designed to keep toothbrushes, toothpaste, and daily essentials neatly stored. It helps reduce countertop clutter, maximizes bathroom space, keeps items organized and easily accessible, and creates a cleaner, more organized look. Its wall-mounted design helps free up valuable sink space while keeping essentials within reach. Number 15. The MONGTINGLU Mini Trash Can, $12. A compact organization solution designed to keep small spaces clean and clutter-free. It is perfect for desks, bathrooms, bedside tables, and countertops, helps manage everyday waste, keeps surfaces tidy, and adds convenience without taking up much space. Its sleek design blends seamlessly into any room, while helping maintain a cleaner environment. Number 16. The upsimples Acrylic Shelves, $19. A modern storage solution designed to display and organize items without taking up floor space. It helps showcase decor, collectibles, books, or everyday essentials, creates a clean floating shelf look, maximizes wall space, and adds a stylish touch to any room. Its clear acrylic design blends effortlessly with any home decor, while keeping items neatly organized. Number 17. The Vailando Underbed Storage Containers, $29. A smart storage solution designed to make use of unused space under your bed. It helps organize clothes, blankets, shoes, and seasonal items, reduces clutter, keeps belongings protected, and maximizes storage without taking up extra room. Its low-profile design slides easily under most beds, helping create a cleaner and more organized home. Number 18. The HomeIt Mop and Broom Holder, $12. A smart wall-mounted organizer designed to keep mops, brooms, and cleaning tools neatly stored. It saves floor space, reduces clutter, and keeps everything organized and within easy reach. Number 19. The Humble Crew Toy Storage Organizer, $63. A practical storage solution designed to keep toys and playroom essentials neatly organized. It features multiple storage bins, helps reduce clutter, and makes cleanup quicker and easier for everyday use. Number 20. The APEXCHASER Ironing Board, $56. A practical household essential designed to make ironing faster and more convenient. It provides a stable ironing surface, helps remove wrinkles with ease, folds away for compact storage, and keeps clothes looking neat and polished. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for apartments, laundry rooms, and smaller living spaces. Number 21, the Muwuele Rotating Bookshelf, $209. A unique space-saving storage solution designed to display and organize books in style. It features a rotating design for easy access, maximizes vertical storage space, and keeps books neatly organized. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.